All right, so let's do this then. All right, Robert. So why don't you show us some of the decals that you guys provide and interchangeable? Oh my gosh, I'm having a hard time today. All right, guys, this is Tony and Robert from Carr Products, and today we're going to be talking about our hitch steps. One of the things that we did not mention in one of our previous videos on the hitch step is that the icon is actually customizable. We have about 18 different patterns. So if you guys don't remember this thing, it goes right into your hitch, bolts in and comes down, and this is your little step. But it folds up like so. We have a bunch of different decals that we can put on the step to kind of like match your style. All right, Robert, so why don't you show them some of the different types of decals that we can install on the hitch?
Okay, so on our step, as you can tell, this is the pickup truck one. We got one of our most popular. We have reflector, very popular one. We got the blank, kind of reflected mirror pattern. We got the black one. We got our American flag. And also, as you've seen before, we have the Carr pattern on that one. And just fun, whether you're, Navy, Marine, law enforcement, we do have those ones available.
And we also can customize them with the Special Forces stickers. So that's kind of cool. So whether you're Marines, Army, or whatever, just check our catalog and we'll have to check the availability, obviously. But you can see if you're a Marine, we got them. All right, guys, so this is just a quick video today. Remember, like, share, and subscribe. And if you haven't, subscribe to Instagram. Go check out Instagram, go check out our Twitter, and definitely subscribe to YouTube, guys. So we'll catch you guys next week, guys. Have a good day.